Hello guys, today I'm Sunil. Today I'm going to teach you guys VI editor basics for beginners. So let's start. So let's start. So first is what is VI editor. So it is the same like a notepad. So you guys know in Windows operating system notepad. So in Linux environment we use VI editor and its full form is Visual Editor. It was developed by Bill Joy, co-founder of Sun Microsystem. It is the most popular, powerful, and standard text editor supported by all the Linux flavor of both Unix and Linux. It is widely used to create files and also edit the content of already created files. It is same as Notepad of Windows operating system except one difference. The difference is that VI editor is CUI based editor, text editor, while Notepad is GUI based text editor. As it is a CUI based text editor, user must know the command supported by VI editor or in order to perform file editing operation on file in Unix operating system. To open VI editor, we use any one of the following two syntax to open the VI editor. So let's see what are those. First things VI. So it will open the VI editor. And the second way is VI and then file name. Let's say file 1. So it will open the editors. So now here is three mode. So why there is three modes. By default it is command mode. And the second mode in VI editor is called insert mode and third mode is called execution mode, right? So we have total three modes. So what are those modes? First one is command mode, second one is insert mode, third one is execution mode. So by default VI editor will be in command mode. So what is command mode? First question is what is command mode? It is a default mode of VI editor, which means that when you open VI editor it will be the default in command mode. When VI editor is in command mode you can't directly add content to the currently opened file because in command mode every key that you type from the keyboard is treated as a command. When VI editor in command mode, we can perform operation or file editing operations such as navigating through content of a file, deleting the content of a file, copying and pasting the content and extra operation. So this was the we talked about command mode. Now what is insert mode? Insert mode in VI editor we can insert contents into a file from the keyboard, right? From in insert mode we can type anything and we can, like in notepad you open the notepad and you start typing the things, right? So the same thing here, you open the files and you start writing from keyboard. Third is execution mode. It is also called as last line mode. When VI editor is in execution mode we can perform the file editing operation such as save, save as, quit, search, search and replace, right? So let's see in RBI editor how you do that. So now see here, when you will open any file, let's say file 1, if there is file 1 exist it will open the file. If there is no file 1 it will create new file and it will open the file. So file 1 is open. Now by default we are in command mode, right? So to go into the insert mode you have to press I. Once you press I it will go into the insert mode. Now you can type from your keyboard, hi, this is Sunil, I'm teaching you VI editor, right? Okay, so this was in insert mode. Now to save these files, I have to go into the execution mode, right? So press escape button and colon and then save. W is for save and Q is for quit. It will save the file and quit the editor. Let's say if you do ls, there is a file 1. If you want to read this file, you can use the cat command and you can read the same content. So what we see here, we see the how to open the VI editor, how to insert into the VI editor, and how to save the content in VI editor, right? Okay, let's see more about the VI editors. Just go into the VI, and if you want to delete anything, let's say if you want to replace s with m, just press r in command mode and then press m. So one letter will be added. If you want to edit u, again press r and then whatever you want to edit this u, you can, let's say I want to change u as a, right? So this we can do in VI editor, right? By pressing r you can change the letters. So now let's see what we can do. We can perform search. Right now we will see how to search in VI editor. Let's go to edit some content. Let's say Sunil Linux Unix and save it and open it. Now in command mode, if you want to search anything in the file, let's say file is very big, there is a thousands of the line and you want to search any content, how you will search? Just press backward slash, I'm sorry, let's press forward slash and then what you want to search. I want to search Linux in VI editor. Let's see, the cursor will go into the Linux, right? Let's say if you want to search Sunil, S-U-N-I-L, Sunil, it will go to the Sunil, right? If there is two times Sunil, and how it will go? Let's see, edit again. Let's say there is a two times Sunil and I want to copy, let's see, I want to copy these four lines again. So there is a command called 4yy, it will copy and come to the last and press pp, it will paste the content. Let's see, go to the file 1. If I want to search anything like Sunil, so it will go to the Sunil and press n, sorry, Sunil, then press enter, it will go over there. If you will press n, it will go to the next Sunil and then again like that. If you press n, it will search all the things in entire files, right? In command mode you can perform such kind of these operation. If you want to change also, let's see, I want to change Sunil H pattern not found. Okay, okay, we will see later in a cd command how to change the files. We can do here as well. So if you want to search anything, like if you want to search vi, you can search here vi, right? So here let's see more option about that. If you want to search more option, what you have to do, so there is a called manual command, that is called man and vi. It will open all the help in the man command, right? So it will tell all the things about, you can read the manual of the vi editor. So here you can see the description: image text editor that is upward compatible to vi. It can be used to edit all kind of the plain text. It is especially useful for editing the program. So what are the option over here? If you go down, you can see hyphen q, hyphen t. There are all the options, like hyphen c, what is the, why we use hyphen c, why we use hyphen s, why we use hyphen a, why we use hyphen b for binary mode, hyphen c for compatibility, hyphen d, right? So all the option is there. You do not have to remember all the options. There are lots of options. What you have, what you will use in your day-to-day life, what, it's very rare to using all these options. What in your day-to-day life, what will you use? You will open the file, you will edit some text, or you will replace some words, and you will save and quit. Mostly you will do these kind of tasks, or you will search something, some content over there in execution mode. You can, in command mode, you can enter some commands, like whatever the keyword you want to search, just put over there and search the content. Like this kind of version you will do day to day, but you will not use all these kind of the operations, like where you have to use all these things, like all these options. Whenever you required special kind of requirement, so you can go to the man page and you can see what are the option, like you have to use hyphen r, hyphen a, hyphen g, when you have to do that. So this you can search over here. Let me tell you something about vi file name. Suppose that if you want to go to last line, just press capital G, shift G, you will go to the last line, right? If you want to enter something below this last line, just press O. Your cursor will go to the next line and it will go into the insert mode. Just insert anything new, right? Just insert, just type anything and save your command. For saving for saving in vi editor, you have to use execution mode, and for going into execution mode, you have to press escape button and uh, do the colon and w is for save. It will save but it will not quit. If you do q, it will quit. If you want to see your content is saved or not, just do file1, see the content is saved. If you want to save and quit at a time, so what you have to do is just go to the, just add anything new below this line, okay, and go into the execution mode by pressing escape button, that is called esc. Now press colon and then save and quit at a time. If you want to do it forcefully, do the exclamatory mark over here, it will do forcefully, right? W exclamatory mark and quit exclamatory mark will be the same, like save forcefully, quit forcefully, and save and quit forcefully, right? So it's saved. Just check your content. See, it is edited and saved, right? So okay, let's go in vi editor again. So go to execution mode, Why this is saying pattern not found? Let's say percentile s. Sunil is there. I want to replace it with Patel. Okay, it's replaced, right? Where there was the Sunil, it put the Patel, right? 3 lines, 3 substitution on 3 lines, right? So in command mode we can execute these kind of commands, right? Let's say how to delete the file. Let's say I want to delete this garbage line. So what you have to do, press dd, it will delete that line, right? If you want to copy these last 2 lines, so press 2 yy and go to the last line, go to escape mode, press 2 yy and go to the last line and press p, it will print, right? If you want to delete last 2 line, press 2dd, it will delete last 2 lines, it will delete. So n is equals to ndd, n is equals to number of line, let's say ndd, where you can, if you want to delete 2 lines, press 2dd, right? If you want to copy 2 lines, press 2yy and then press p, it will print, right? So this is all about the vi editor. What is the basic operation we perform in the vi editor, like in command mode and the insert mode and execution mode. Daily in your day-to-day life you will do these kind of things only. You will open the file and you will insert some contents over there and you will save that, and sometimes you will search something and replace something and write some configuration files if you want to search something. So in command mode you can go, in command mode you can go and search the content and replace the content and save it. Your day-to-day life you will do only these kind of things, and sometimes you have to do some special kind of requirements. So for that, just do the man command and see the option, what are the option you can use for that. But these are the basic things which we have to know in the vi editor. So you can use vi editor comfortable as per your comfort level. So yeah, so we can use all vi editors for your day-to-day life, and this is all about we use in our day-to-day life in IT industry as well. So there is um, nothing new to know about this. So there are sometimes we have some special kind of requirements, so we need some arguments, like what you have to press, what is the option you have to use. For that you can use the man commands, you do not have to remember everything, right? So thanks for watching my video, and if you like my videos, like it, subscribe it and share it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.